My name is Jonathan Norman from the Major Projects Knowledge Hub, and I'm interviewing Obuks Ejohwomu on the subject of innovative procurement and smart contracting for our DFMA digital scrapbook.
My name is Obuks Ejohwomu from the University of Manchester. I'm a lecturer in project management and I teach commercial and procurement. I think the way technology is shaping the world, innovative procurement, like it or not, will be driven by technology. So things like blockchain technology will be the way of the future. It's very, very important. However, we need to be mindful of the limitations of such technologies and the kind of emerging effects they could have on the normal way that we do things now. So if we can have that in mind, we can be cautious and be skeptical in the way we do things, then I think we'll be fine.